Uh, in my last session, I explained to you how to compute dead and live load for your for your staircase and beam element, and it was shown that our dead load on our staircase beam is 17.39 and our live load is 12.01. So I'm going to apply this load on Orion 18 structure on our Orion 18 structural software for our main project. So I'm going to move to our project now. So the load will be applied on this beam and also on this beam. So I will select this beam, then I will right click. Instead of when we apply wall load on the beam, we click on edit beam wall load. But you want to apply other load other than the wall load, you click edit member load. So when you click edit member load, under the loading dialog box will appear. Under this dialog box, you can specify a new load on the beam. Um, so um, so these are the load on my top left hand corner. These are the load already specified for the uh, for for the beam. For the beam. So what I want to do here, I'll go straight to the point. You will need to create a new load. So I will click on new load. This new load button, I'll click on it. And I want the load to be uniformly distributed. We can specify three types of load here: a uniformly distributed load, a trapezoidal load, and a point load. But I am specifying a uniformly distributed load. I have the opportunity to label the load, give it a name. It's a stair load, so I'll say stair load. The dead load from our calculation, the dead load is 17.39, while the live load is 12.01. So 17.39, 12.01, and I'll click OK. And you also click OK. So you specify that load. I'll click on it again. I will click on edit member load. You will see that the load this is the load we just specified. If I click on edit, you will see what we entered before. So I'll click on OK, OK, and I will apply the load on the beam on the structural floor, our full landing beam. So I've selected the beam. I will right click, go to edit member load. You create new load by clicking on this button, the new load button. This dialog box appear. You change the button to uniform load, the first button here. So I clicked on it. You specify again stair load. So I'll type stair load again, stair load. Enter the dead load. You say 17.39. Am I right? 17.39. The live load is 12.01. So I'll click OK. I want to confirm that the dead load is 17.39. Okay, 17.39. So I've entered the load. I'll click OK to accept. So I've applied the load to these two beams now. And in applying the load to these two beams, I'll show you. I want to show you the 3D view. As I apply the load to this beam and also to the full landing beam, I also automatically copy the load to the beams above, because all the floors above copy the information on the first on the story 1 level. So we have come to the end of this tutorial. In our next tutorial session, we are going to look at how we are going to apply our staircase load for the left hand side of our structure, the quarter ton staircase. We have a quarter ton staircase, so we'll look at how we apply the staircase load on the staircase beam. Thank you for watching the video.